I'm creating I say a component called ng gc toggle component. I'm saying toggle component. Oh, sorry. I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to say only toggle. Sorry. ls. Now what component I created? What component I created? Can anyone say? Come on, you need to speak. You should not be boring.
Sir, can you repeat again question?
What component I created? Toggle component I created.
Toggle component, yes.
I want everybody should be unmute, please. I created a toggle component. Now in the toggle component, I want to load the toggle component in your UI. What happened? Some issue in the AP voting rights. What happened? Okay, leave it. Now go to your app component.html. Here you say toggle. Okay. Now your toggle component is loaded. On band details of the program. Go to toggle. Go to TS. App-toggle. Take this one. Copy. Paste this one. Paste this one. Everything is correct only, right?
Or can you check app module?
App. Okay. Now what the toggle works? Now what I'm going to do, guys, in the HTML of toggle, okay, I remove this. I say div. I say h1 welcome. I say paragraph lorem 20. Like that, I will have two divisions. division 1, division 2. Welcome to iTask. So how many divisions I have? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me how many divisions I have? I have first division, I have second division. Now what I want to do, if I go here, you see I got the welcome and everything. Say yes or no?
Yes,
Say yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Now I am going to wrap everything in a single div. Say here, and I'm saying here class equal to background, class equal to set background. Clear my point? I created a background color. Now you see in the SCSS dot set or hash set hash. Now first what I need to do is div. Can anyone tell me? I want to make this div center aligned. So how to make this div center aligned? Margin. First what I'm going to do is width of 250 pixel. Okay, now when you make width of 250 pixel, now with this comes here. Now make instead of 250, 300. Now again, margin 0 pixel auto. It has come center aligned. Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I never done anything. I simply done a simple logic. I fixed the width, which is 300 pixel. Now I'm making as 400. Now you got the 400 pixel. Now what I want to do, I want to create a
Sir,
border.
how it went to
Border.
center, sir?
Come again. Come again.
How it went to center, sir? We have just
How?
given the
This one, right?
yes.
Because of this. If I cut it, it is in left align, right?
Okay.
Clear my point?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Now what I'm doing, I simply paste it. What happened? Center line. Now what I want to do, I want to create a border for the div first. So what color of border we can do? We can put border 2 pixel solid black. You got the border? Instead of black, you say blue. Today is everything playing. Okay. In meanwhile, I'll bring the concepts. So now you got the, now you see between the border line and the text, is there any gap? Is there any gap between the border line and text?
Not now.
No, right? So what we need to do? We need to do is say padding 20 pixel. Make sense? Got it or not? Everybody, please. Everybody, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Everybody unmute, please, for a
Yes,
couple
sir.
of minutes so that you can learn CSS properly. Please, please, please. Okay. Now the point here is, I bring the now whether the welcome should be center align or within this year should be left align. Tell me, welcome should be center align or within outside.
So, welcome should be like center aligned.
Welcome should be center align. So what I need to do? Under which tag welcome is coming? H1 tag, right?
H1.
Go here. H1 text align
Center.
center. Align the center.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? And sir, I want to change the font size. I go font size 20 pixel. I can make it as 30 pixel. H1 always be a 30 pixel. Now it is good. Is it good? Now, will the paragraph is not in good color, right? Say sir.
Yes.
Will the paragraph is not in good shape. So what do you need to do? I'm going to have p tag text align indent.
Mm.
Justify content intent. Okay. Or just simply say justify. Okay, simply say justify. Now it is good. Say sir no. Say sir no.
Yes.
Now you see the text is color properly fixed. Now what I want to do, I want to set a background color. For that, what I'm going to do here in the div HTML element, I'm going to set a class set back color. I'll tell you why I'm doing this. Okay, copy this color, go to CSS. I put an another class. Listen carefully. Dot. I say background color black color white smoke. Clear my point? Clear my point? Now background color is like this. Same. Now if I apply the same background color of the class, will it work? Say sir. Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Jafar, Anjali,
Yes, sir.
Ishwar. Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Now do you have an intent? Do you have a spacing between the text?
Yep.
Do you have any
Yes, sir.
spacing between the text? No.
Yes, yes.
No
Sir, we
spacing.
can see the space, sir.
You can make padding. Where is the spacing, man? 20 pixel. Now you see the content is perfect. Earlier you won't see the spacing. Now you are seeing the spacing. See, if I remove padding, you have a spacing between this element, paragraph element, and div element. Here. Listen carefully. Hello, Ranjit, Ravi, Sushma, Tarak, everyone.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
You don't have, right? So you have to make a space. What you are going to make a space is, you simply say padding not auto, 20 pixel. Now this looks good. Clear, right? Yes, sir.
Yes.
And then,
Paragraph spacing
sir,
you're saying.
this background, I want to create a margin bottom. Margin. I want to create a margin. I want to create space between the one div to another div. Margin, bottom, 10 pixel. Now see, there is a gap. Earlier, you don't have a gap. Now, when I fix the gap, margin of bottom, I can see a space. Now, what I want to do, this should be in blue color. This should be in, I want to switch between the colors. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a set background, set back blue. Here I'm going to simply say back blue color. And here I'm going to say blue color. And copy this one. Go to your toggle HTML. Click here. You got it? There are two different colors, Sarma. Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
what I want to do, I want to apply this CSS dynamically. These two CSS, how I'm going to apply? Dynamically at the runtime. Clear my point? I want to apply these two CSS should be dynamically. Now, what I'm going to do here in the HTML, before background color, inside a set background color, okay, I'm going to have a button. Switch to blue. Okay. Now I'm going to use on click switch color function. Now in this color function switch, in the TS file of toggle component, okay, I'm going to have a function switch color. The method will be called whenever you call a switch. Say yes or no. When you click the blue, this method will be called. Okay. Once you called that, you say back color equal colon string equal to what is your default color. I'm going to set is this CSS color which I created. Set blue back color. Listen carefully. I'm going to set back blue color. By default, it should be in the blue color. Okay. Everybody clear? By default, I'm going to set it as a black blue color. Now you got the blue color? Everybody? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, I want to set this variable with a property called ng class in the toggle component. Here, I need to set a variable as ng class. How I'm going to set a variable like this ng class and say the variable name here. Now you go back. You see the blue color is changed? Changed or not?
Yes, it is changed.
listen carefully. I'm removing. What is your class name in the CSS? Your class name is set blue color, right? Am I right or wrong?
Yes,
Your
sir.
class name is set blue color. But here what I did, what is my variable name here? Back color. In the
Backup.
back
Back.
color, I'm having a value of CSS class name is set blue black color, correct? This
Yes.
CSS name I'm holding in a variable in the where in the TypeScript file. Clear?
Okay.
Everybody, Jafar,
Yes, sir.
you all understand? Ishwar,
Yes, yes.
Sushma, Ravi, Punjabi, Tarak,
Yes, sir.
Tarak, Tarak, you are in mute.
Yeah, yes, sir. I understand.
Okay. Now what you are planning to do, you are assigning the ng class in such a way you are calling the variable. This variable is holding this CSS class. Is it correct or wrong? Now, here I'm going to write a condition like this. If back color equal to this, then okay, if back color equal to this, then what I need to do, this dot
Black color.
back color equal to what value I need to set, ma? What value I need to set? How many CSS classes we created here? 2 CSS classes, right? I'm copying this. Go to TS. I say this. And then this dot back color equal to, I want to specify this color. Clear my point? Now you click switch. Toggling is happening. Toggle is happening or not?
Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
This is what we try to learn, right? Toggle, how to toggling is happening. Now you see the toggle is happening. This is called ng class. Anybody understand what is ng class?
Yes, sir.
Everybody understand what is ng class? Say yes or no.
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Got it.
Now I'm copying this, paste here. Clear my point? Once you copy and paste, when you try here, switch blue. See? Makes sense? Now it is switched to blue text. If I want to change it to switch to red, what we need to do?
We need to add one more condition, sir, and add to the CSS as well.
Add to the,
CSS in the
how to
CSS.
do that?
We can same like that and add our CSS and one more
So
condition.
here you can write ng if statement. Can we write a ng if statement here to get the value based on the
Can.
variable?
Yeah, yeah.
Can anyone tell me how to write a ng if statement here?
If
Star ng if equal to what? How you will write? Sorry, not here. I'm going to use a value property. Star ng if. Now tell me what to write. Come on, guys, you have to speak. How to change the value dynamically?
CSS name,
Ishwar,
sir.
we did it, right? Ishwar,
Sir, sir.
How to did that?
Sir,
How we need to did that?
So in NGS, we have to put the condition.
Come again.
In NG, if we have to put the condition
Okay.
and then condition, and otherwise else condition.
Okay. Is there any other way? I'm bringing just a second. Give me 2 minutes. A lot of things. I don't know. Nothing is available here. Okay, leave it. I simply go and use a name variable also. In the toggle component, I put name colon string equal to, if it is set background color, switch to black mode. Switch to black mode. Clear my point? Now take the name, go to button. Can I write like this? Did you get the black mode? Say yes or no. Say yes or no. Switch to black mode you are getting or not.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now what I want to do, in the toggle TSS, I can say here, name, switch to what to do? Switch to blue mode. Okay. Now I copy this same stuff. I copy here. I can say black mode. Okay. Happening or not? Everybody say NG class is perfect. Ranjit,
Yes, sir.
Sushma Sudhir, Jafar, Anjali, Ishwar, Tarak, everybody, Ranjit, Ravi Punjabi. You all understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
This is how it is to work. Okay. Now I have one more thing, sir. I want to apply NG style in this stuff. So what I'm going to do here, simply do class do. I say some paragraph, time being lorem 10. You got some lorem 10, right? Now I'm going to apply NG style for this. How to apply NG style is, in the div, I say NG style equal to, within a curly braces, color background color
Sir,
colon
directly we need sir, ternary condition implementing directly. Ternary conditions directly implementing in the background.
where here, right?
Yes, sir, exactly. That
That
is
we can
a
do.
good way, sir.
Here, NG style how to apply, I forget. Hold on a second. See, these are all small things that, but I need to tell. Can I do this tomorrow? Okay, fine. This we did. Thank
Sir,
you.
sir, already I'm in text, sir.
Already we
Previous.
implement. Yeah, fine.
Yes, yes. Previous. Will post.
So already we did like this. Now you see what happened. NG style div. I use a ternary operator of color is active. Then it will become green and it will become red. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use only green right now. Now you see text in green color. Say yes or no. Everybody say yes or no. Did I want to apply the style a particular color? I can use like this. You understand? Everybody?
So
Hello,
this is
Ravi Punjabi, everybody.
inline. Yeah, this is inline style,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay.
But this inline style should come from a variable. What I will do, I'll cut here, I'll go to toggle. Here I'm going to say style color, something like that. Okay? Equal to, in the string, I'm going to provide like this. I'm taking this style color as a variable. Now you see, the style is not changing. But if we go here in the HTML, if I put like this, okay, what ra? Okay. Now you have to say string. Color will change. Okay. Okay, I'll set this one later point of time. Leave it. The style tomorrow I can tell. Now I have one more called. I'm going to create a component called component, login component. I wanted to build another example, which is most important here right now. Now what I'm going to say, nggc login. What component I created here? Can anyone tell me what component I
Log,
created?
login.
The idea of this component, this process is MS Paint See, I'll give you an example. you have a login page like this, and you say login is your header. And what login will have? You have a form group like this. In this form group, you will have a name, right? Say yes or no. And here you need to have a text box. Like that similar way, you create an email. Listen carefully. You are creating an email. I will do UI. I'll give a homework in such a way you guys come up with the logic. Okay, I'll design it. I'll give you the logic. You need to build the logic and show me tomorrow. You have to tell me tomorrow class. And here you need to have submit. This is the login I want to design. Submit. When the moment and I'm see, if nothing is entered in this text box, this should display background color is red. Which color? Red color. If some text has been added, you need to, if some text has been entered, by default background will be green. Okay, like that in the email validation also, you need to set this background color as red. Okay, and email validation, when these two fields are successful, you have to submit. Can anyone tell me how to design the form for login? Can anyone tell me how to design for login that one? Are you guys
So first we
sleeping?
have to create a component of login.
I did it. I have a login component. Perfect. I did the login component. Now copy this.
Yeah.
Go to the here. I say login component. Now what I need to do?
We need to do the changes into the CSS
Come again.
to apply the color changes. We have to make the changes into the CSS file to apply
Now
the
before
changes like
first what you need to do? You need to design your
HTML.
HTML, right? You need to
Yes.
design your HTML. So what you are going to do? Div. Okay. Class
input type.
login
Login.
frame something. Okay. And then div h1. I say login.
Login.
Got the login? Now what I need to do? Div. Here I'm going to say label name. Here I'm going to say input type text.
Text.
Now I want to associate this label and text. What I need to do? For equal to name. Remember we generated this in the .NET while adding and deleting. For is there or not? To associate label and text, we need to use for. Now you go here, when you click name, this will get highlighted, right? So that is how it is. Now copy this. I say email. I say email. Sorry, it is not for, it should be name. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, now finally you will have what? Button. You have submit. Will it ready? Your component is ready? Say yes or no. Everybody say.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everybody got the component ready. Now coming back, to make this component center align, what I need to do? I say, first I will bring the frame in the login.css dot paste, I say width 300 pixel is my first step. I got the 300 pixel of text. Yes or no, Ravi?
Yes, sir.
Now what I want to do? I want to make this center. So what I need to do?
Yeah. Margin 0
Margin
pixel
Margin
0 pixel auto.
0 pixel
auto.
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 You got it? Now, sir, I don't know. I want to bring this center align. So what I need to do? Margin
Padding.
top 30 pixel. Now you got the margin? Yes or
Yes, sir.
no? It is center
Padding
aligned or not?
also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everything is center aligned. Now, what I want to do? I want to
Padding,
create a
sir.
background color. Gray, something like gray. You got the gray color of padding? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And when everything is gray, what is your text color?
White.
White.
Smoke white.
Now done. And then
Yes.
can I create a rounded margin, rounded border?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I want to create a
Yes.
rounded. Before that, you see everything there is a no space. So what I will do?
Padding we
Let
Radius.
I add some padding within that.
Padding.
Now this is good.
yeah.
Now what I want to
Yes,
do?
sir.
I want to create a border. Border 2 pixel solid. Can I say golden rod? You see there is a golden rod.
Yes, sir.
Can I make it
Yes,
as
sir.
5 pixel? You got the golden rod? Now what I want to do? I want to create a border radius 10 pixel. You got the screen properly? Everybody?
Yes. Yes.
Everybody. Anjali, are you there? Always you will speak. I don't know what happened.
Yes, sir.
Ranjit, Tarak, Ishwar.
Yes, sir.
Now the point here is I need to have a box shadow. Box shadow 10 pixel, 10 pixel, 10 pixel red. Got the box shadow of the box? Say yes or no, ma?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, do I need login should be center or do I need in the left side?
Center.
Center.
So what I need to do? In the login component, I have an h1 tag. Copy this tag,
Yes.
go here, take this one, say text align center.
Center.
Now makes sense?
Yes.
Sir,
And a little bit of padding is be good for it. Say 5 pixel. So that the login will be ultimately changed. Now you see, this is good.
yes.
But if you look into this space is more, so let go, change this
Of my
padding.
Sir, can we arrange the text box, like arrange it? Name
Come
and
again?
email.
I don't understand.
Name. starting point of text box is little different. If required, then we can use padding or something else.
We need to, I will come. I never, between name and email, you are not seeing any space, right?
Yeah, that's
I never
Yes.
touched that. So I'm coming. So now what I want to do, I'm fixing the outer line first. Now you see this div and this div will have a same CSS. Class, form, group. What is the name I'm going to give? Form,
oh,
group.
For group.
Okay. Now copy this form group. I say class, form group. Clear my point?
yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Here, I'm going to write a logic in such a way for this form group. What I'm going to do for form group is, first in the form group, I make display inline block. What is the name I need to give? Display inline block. Or you can say I'll come there. I'll come there. Okay. So what you need to do, form group, we'll finish it in another 10 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes. Okay. Form group, I'm creating a margin bottom. Margin bottom 20 pixel. Now you see there is a gap. Say yes or no? Anjali, you asked it, right?
Yes, yes.
You got the gap? Between
Yeah.
all the components, there is a gap. Now, if I remove, that gap will not be there. Got it? You see, the
Yes.
text box is not having a gap, button is not having a gap, nothing is there. So I simply go and use form group. Clear my point? So that is the idea behind the CSS we built. Now in the label, okay, here you need to say like this, label. Where that label is available within the form group class or not. You do one thing, you can write here like this also, label. You can write like this also. Within CSS, you can write. You say here, display block. Now you got it? You got it or not?
Yes.
And then you use the margin bottom 5 pixel of the label. Now you see the space between the text box and this one is changed. Space between the text box and this label is changed or not? Everyone, tell me please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hold on a second. Okay. Now, if you see here, the name between the email text box is changed. Now I go here. This is okay. Now, do you have an input here? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have.
It is an input, right?
Xbox. Yeah.
So what do you need to write? Now you see, there is an input, we return a code. We say all these things. Let's build that. Width 40%. Now you got the width. Okay, not 40%. Make it as 100%. I want width should be 100%. Now it is fixed with the width. My width is fixed or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Let me do one thing. Let me
80%.
go here and make this margin top 80 pixel. Okay, fine. So width is 100% fixed, right? Ma, please talk, please.
Yes.
This CS is more important.
Yes,
That is
sir.
the reason I'm taking much time. Otherwise, I can copy and paste and go. Okay, now here you say, right now, are you seeing a border? Border with a black color? Say yes or no.
Yes.
You're seeing a border, right? Now I'm
Yes,
going to
sir.
say border, none. See, border is not there. Okay. Now the next thing is, I'm going to make this border radius into rounded boxes. So what I'm going to do here, I say border radius 5 pixel. Is it rounded? Say yes or no. Is it rounded or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what you need to do here, I'm going to have one more, a simple padding. I'll tell you why I'm doing a padding right now. Colon 10 pixel. You will get a padding here, you see. See, there is a gap between the text box and the text. There is a
Yes,
gap.
sir.
It looks fine. Will it look fine or not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody. This is how you have to build the UI.
Yes, sir.
Nothing more than else. Now, finally, done everything. Now you want to see the font size of the text. Now let's go here. You simply fix here font size 20 pixel. See, lightly change your padding into less than 5 pixel. Now it's good. Clear? Everybody got the data? Yes or no?
Yes.
Anjali, Susma, Ravi Punjabi,
Yes, sir.
Ranjit,
Yes, sir.
Ranjit.
Yes.
Building the CSS with the project is easy or tough?
Easy, sir.
Now you all understand how to create a small open dialog. See, I never used Bootstrap. Did I use any Bootstrap here?
No,
Did I
sir.
use any Bootstrap
So,
here?
No.
And I'm going to apply some CSS for the button. Yeah. Now what I'm going to do for the button, what is my first text? Display block. Now I got a block button. And then I'll say my button should be center. I'm saying my button should be center so that I'm using margin 0 pixel auto. అవునండి. లేవండి కొంచెం బిజీ ఉన్నాను నేను పిలుస్తాను. Okay, and then let's take all these things and you see the button. I don't want to waste my time and your time. Background color is light pink. Now you see the button is a background color, pink color. Say yes or no?
Yes.
Everybody say yes or no. Your background color is pink and you had a border radius. The button is central aligned. Everything I did. Okay. Now the point here is border radius also I have, font size also I have, padding also I have. Now point here is I want to apply a class in such a way whenever there is no data, it should be red color. I'll give an assignment. You guys can go through it. If there is no data entered, it should be in red color. If there is a data entered, it should be in white color. Can you try this? Tomorrow I can explain how to do that logically by using ng class and ng style. This is one of the assignment using Angular. Very simple code you need to write and implement tomorrow. Can we do that tomorrow?
Yes.
Jafar,
sorry, sir, I
Ranjit.
missed it.
Yes, sir.
Can you please repeat?
Come again?
Can you please repeat? I missed the point here.
No, see, by default,
Hello?
yeah, without entering the data, it should be in red color. If the data is entered, it should be in white color. How to do that? How to apply CSS for this text box? Can I go say in the text box input, can I say background color? I say background color here. Clear? The moment I entered, it should be a green color. That means you are telling the end user right now no data, so that's why it is a red color. The moment you enter the data, it will become a green color. You want to make this dynamic. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
You all understand how to do that?
Yes.
So what you will do? How to do it? Can you do build and show me? Tomorrow, can you do that?
Yeah, we can.
Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Anjali, Sushma, Tarak?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you guys. Have a great day.